Brigit approval depends almost entirely on how clearly your bank account shows steady income, enough recent activity, and a consistent balance pattern that the system can understand without guessing. By the end of this, you'll know what Brigit checks in your bank data, what usually slows approval down, and what you can do to get approved faster. Start with bank connection. Brigit connects directly to your bank account, and approval doesn't move forward until that connection fully syncs. If the connection is incomplete or unstable, the app can't read your financial history, which delays everything. Now look at income deposits. Brigit looks for recurring income that shows a predictable pattern, like payroll or regular deposits. If your income is irregular or hard to identify, the system may take longer to approve your account. Next, check transaction history. The app needs enough recent bank activity to understand how your money flows in and out. Limited history often leads to slower approval because the system has less data to evaluate. Now focus on account balance behavior. If your balance constantly drops to very low levels or changes unpredictably, it can slow down approval. More stable balance patterns are easier for the system to classify. Next, look at direct deposits. Recurring direct deposits are one of the strongest signals Brigit uses to decide approval and advance eligibility. Without them, approval may still happen, but it can take longer or come with limited access. Now check identity matching. Brigit verifies your identity using bank-linked information, and mismatches between your profile and bank details can delay approval. Even small differences can slow the verification process. Next, consider bank compatibility. Some banks sync faster than others depending on how they handle third-party data connections. If your bank updates slowly, approval can feel delayed even when everything is correct. Now look at setup completion. Finishing your setup in one continuous session helps the system process your data faster than stopping midway and returning later. Incomplete setup sessions can delay evaluation. Finally, understand system processing. Brigit uses automated systems to analyze your financial data, so approval speed depends entirely on how quickly your bank information becomes readable and complete. To sum it up, faster approval on Brigit usually comes down to a clean bank connection, consistent income deposits, and enough transaction history for the system to clearly understand your financial behavior. Next, make sure your bank account is fully linked, your identity details match exactly, and your deposits are clearly visible before applying. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more cash advance app guides, approval tips, and simple breakdowns that make financial apps easier to understand.